Hi everyone, today I'm giving you a channel update. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a quick channel update and I'm going to let you know what's happening with the channel, what's happening in the shop, that kind of stuff. For starters, you might have noticed I've switched to producing a video a week. Wow, there's a beautiful view right there of the ocean that you can't really see when I'm sitting normally at my bench. Isn't that beautiful? So I've switched to doing one video a week. I have time to do that now, so that makes me very happy. And you might have noticed I'm doing a lot more woodworking videos. The reason being I'm setting up my shop for a little more woodwork, green woodworking, carving, that sort of thing. As you know, my bench is dedicated to leathercraft, and I do have some leathercraft videos in the works. More on that later. I've been building the bench, Shave Horse, Vice low woodworking bench thing with my dad, as I'm dubbing it the ultimate work holding device, which honestly it is. It's pretty fantastic. I've been filming it. The bench should be done this weekend, so the build video of the bench part 2 will be out next week. Second order of business, I have a website, www.thewoodlifegoods.com. I'll put a link in the description below. You can read a bit about my work there, about me. You can purchase my leather work and purchase my woodwork there. There's nothing to buy on the shop yet, but you know, it's still a work in progress. But go check it out if you're interested. Thewoodlifegoods.com. That's my new brand. My friend Evan from Get Born Co. did the artwork for my logo. You can see it up in my channel banner, and I'm putting it on all my thumbnails now. I'll leave a link to his Instagram account down below. Check his work out, it's very cool. Future videos. So I have the Shave Horse video should be out next week, and then I'll do a detailed video about all the ins and outs of it and how it works, because there's a lot of things it does. And it also has not only woodworking capabilities, but leather crafting capabilities as well. So I'll show you how that fits into my overall work in the shop here. I have a collaboration video with my friend Phil coming up, as well as we are partnering with Walrus Oil to put out this new video. He's doing the woodworking part, I'm doing the leatherworking part. I'm expecting a box in the mail from him maybe even today, so that video is in the works, and once I get his half of the project, I'm going to do the leather craft part of the project, and that video should be up in the next couple months. As well, the old Estwing needs a new sheath. A few people have asked me on the Estwing video, have commented and asked me to do a video showing how to make a new sheath. Axe masks are kind of my specialty with leatherwork, so I will do a whole video on how to create a pattern and show you how to build a new sheath for your Estwing or any axe. It'll work for any axe. As well as I want to do a few tool reviews. So I have my Gränsfors Bruks Swedish carving axe, my wood tools, carving knife, hook knife, as well as a couple other things. I have my cold steel tomahawk that I love. I want to do a review of that. And I want to take this out into the woods, do some bushcraft videos as well. So that's another thing I want to do, is more bushcraft videos. I'm no expert in bushcraft by any means, but I do love it, and it's one of my interests. Also have a collaboration video with Tim from Black Flag Leather again. He's my YouTube buddy, and we've been working together on videos and collaborating and planning and talking and venting about the whole YouTube process together since we started. So he's a very good YouTube buddy of mine. Go check him out. I'll put a link to his channel down in the description below as well as a link to both my Instagram accounts and his Instagram account. Let me know if there's any videos you want to see. I like to make things out of leather, and I like to make things out of wood, and if there's anything that you think you would like to see me make or do on the channel, or something you think I know about that I can share my knowledge with you guys, that would be awesome. So let me know down in the comments if there's something you want to see me do. And last but not least, the channel has hit 500 subscribers. We're actually at about 538 subscribers as of making this video. So I'm very excited. We got the community tab opened up now, so you'll see me posting things on the community tab. As always, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you like the video, that tells YouTube you like my videos and you want to see more of them. And please, if there's something that you see on one of my videos and you can share it, that would be amazing. I don't have a very big following on Facebook, so if you wanted to share my videos on Facebook, that would be awesome. Get people to come from there over to here would be really amazing. And of course, if you have friends that are interested in the things that I do, please share the videos with them as well. As always, thank you so much for being here, being part of the channel. I love all you guys for doing that. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I will keep making videos and I'll keep plugging along. Thanks so much for being a part of the channel and watching my videos. And until the next video, I'll be me and you be you. Peace. Cold coffee.